Action.
Action. Welcome back, guys. In this episode of Rescued and Restored Garage, I'm going to attempt this. I'm not sure exactly what this is going to entail, but we're going to try. And I apologize in advance for the wind sound, but this was the only day we could get out, and we're dying to get out, so here we are. I have no idea where I'm going to start.
Let's pull the rad out first, beautiful queen.
You think the rad?
I think so.
Okay. So let's see here. What do we got? We got that.
Yeah, you'll probably have to...
Hey, look, I'm already halfway there.
Yep. Probably have to loosen that bottom one off, and then those are for the transmission cooler.
Okay, so both of these are the transmission cooler?
Yep, one's to go in, one's to go out.
Okay, so bear with me, guys. I've never done this before. I'm quite nervous. I'm kind of stealing the spotlight. Hubby's behind the camera today.
I think it's probably going to be a 1/2 inch.
I'm guessing.
I know you are. Oh, nope. 9/16. Or did you grab the 3/8? What size is that one in your hand?
This was the 1/2 inch.
There we go.
Going up.
There you go.
See, this is why I keep you around. You tell me what I'm supposed to do. And that's the wrong way. Right? Yeah.
No, it'll be towards you.
Towards me?
Yep. There you go. Oh, yeah.
So...
If you come to this side, baby, I'll switch you sides.
I think I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay.
It's not too windy over here. Just awkward. I've never done this before. I'm on camera and I'm nervous.
I know you are, but you're doing it. Get out of your comfort zone.
I don't wanna. It's nice and warm. Oh no, you wouldn't be that nice to just be.
No, it'll fight you right to the bitter end.
Right to the bitter end, because I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. And so, oh, my nose is running.
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah,
folks,
you can
if I
see.
start snotting all over the place, it's not my fault. My nose just does its own thing.
It's actually not a bad day out. The wind is fairly strong, but this is our only day. It's gonna be cold and, well, snowy, possible rain apparently.
Look at me go. Look at my finger toughness. Oh, yeah.
Oh, and by the way, people, Wifey made those fingerless gloves.
And they're just perfect. See, they go
And
all
they're
the way
toque.
up.
Yep.
And the toque is pretty nice. So I've got long hair. It goes pretty good.
Works pretty good.
Okay, now I'm going to have to switch sides,
Yep.
or at least you can move over a step or two. Or
Oh,
whatever.
yes, I can do that. As you can see, it's fairly treacherous around here.
Okay. Same way, right?
Yep.
Towards the Impala?
Yep. There you
Oh,
go.
look at that strong. I'm so nervous.
You're doing awesome. You're getting her.
Yeah. First video that I'm going to edit will be all the rad. That's it.
Yeah.
20 minutes of me taking off the rad.
We are just so, there's the wind, guys. Hola. We are just so itching to come out and work on this thing, as you've seen in our shorts and stuff. So now we're actually able to come out
Okay.
and hopefully spend some time and get some progress done on the 72 Chevelle.
Because March 20th is the first official day of spring, but out here it's probably another 2 weeks after that. So
It could be.
it could very well be. So we're trying to get this as close to ready as possible, because we do have a line on a 350, a running 350 to put in
Yes.
steady, because we'd like to be driving the Chevelle. Oh hey, that just popped right
It
out.
just popped right out, baby.
Okay,
I'm going to pass you, there you go.
I got the screwdriver.
Yep, just loosen that one off a bit more.
Oh, that's gross. It's like we have transmission fluid in there.
Yep,
Oh, okay, so that's supposed to happen?
yepers.
It's not supposed to bleed out like that? Or
Oh, it
supposed
is, yep.
to bleed
Yeah,
out?
because this should be full of fluid. That's kind of good news.
Okay, good news.
Because then we know there's transmission fluid in the, probably in this thing, probably a Turbski 400 or 350. Oh yeah, baby.
I'm holding my tongue.
Oh, you nailed it.
Oh.
Oh, it'll have a little leak. No worries.
Do we have anything to hold this?
We don't, baby.
Wow.
There's not much in there.
Really?
Yep, it'll leak, but there's not a heck of a lot. See? Which is also, but not like it matters because we're dumping this motor anyways.
Yeah. I'm just curious to see what kind of heads are on there.
I know, so am I. Like, are they gonna be?
We want to know what's going on. Right?
Yep.
Okay, I don't think there's anything else except
Nope.
for this hose.
Oh yeah, baby.
And that one's already detached. So this would be a single core, right?
I'm thinking it could be maybe a double row. Nah, it's probably single row. You're probably right.
Because it says Firebird on here.
Yep.
A little lighter than I was expecting.
Yep. Just sit her right there. Throw it in the back of the Impala, whatever.
You don't want me to walk over there?
Yeah. Sorry.
I don't know what you're thinking.
I don't know either.
Okay, you already loosened that one off.
I did, baby girl. Here, like a nice little trick. That's why I grabbed. Oh, never mind. You nailed it.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
you grabbed the larger screwdriver?
I
from-
did. I did.
Okay, so we got more hoses, etc. So, where did my screwdriver,
got it.
please, huh?
Okay.
All right.
Oh, try this first, baby. See if that will work.
Oh, what is it? Oh, this one's a neat one.
Yeah.
So don't tell my husband. But there's a piece of the Impala, and it's sitting in the spare room. It's just mangled. So I'm gonna steal his camera. I'm gonna steal all his tools, and I'm gonna practice and see whether or not I can start to read metal, etc. Don't tell him, because it's our little secret.
Yes. Yep, that's about as far as you need.
It was not
Stuck.
letting go.
Yep, I got you.
I just keep seeing him do it with his tools and such, and honestly, oh, right, okay, so we take this and we move
Yep,
this
what
out
I would, yeah, that's a good call.
right there,
And then just take that. Just see if you can pry anywhere on there.
got it. You gonna help?
Yep. Boom.
See?
Nope, we don't want to lose that. My camera shots were probably not so great there, but
That's all good. Anyways, as I was saying, I see him using his hammers and his dollies and playing around, and it really looks like a lot of fun. So I'm gonna see if I can't practice a little bit.
if you want, we can grab this one here too. That's the last of the hoses
Just so
right
hard.
here. Yep, that's your heater hose.
Is that's the heater hose? Okay.
Yep. So one will be to go in, then one will come out.
Okay. So is this one going in?
I believe that would be the one going out.
Out.
Because that right there, because this spins, right?
Yeah, gotcha.
So that would probably push in.
I'm getting it, guys. I'm getting it.
Grab your big screwdriver again.
I'm just gonna move that out of the way. Big screwdriver. Find the spot.
Yeah, just find a spot, use whatever. I'll give it a pull. I think you're pretty much got her.
No, I don't. I got it in, but it didn't. I don't wanna shake it. It's here at the bottom. Hold on.
Okay.
Nope. All right, teamwork.
Teamwork.
Okay, so that's that.
There, those are out of the way.
Oh, I got a guess here. I think
What are we looking for?
it's a little
Oh.
one.
Okie dokie.
Take that one off. So close. Maybe it's the next one.
Yeah, that's a tough one. No,
No.
I wonder if it's going to be metric. I bet you it's going to be metric.
Why would it be metric? Because they're jerks.
Because I
or
think 72
What?
would be...
Yeah, because that one's freaking mass. Okay.
Okay,
now
I
what?
got an idea. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
Well, I'm not gonna go anywhere.
Okay, let's just go into, look at the ice, people. Holy moly. We'll go, as you can see, we went and picked up, oh, there's Domino. We picked her up a bone, and now she's very excited. So, we're gonna grab that, and apparently the dog. Okay, close that there. Head her back out.
Domino got your phone.
I'm gonna go at the bone. So,
Oh, hey,
here we go.
the adjustable one.
Yep,
It's made for my little hands.
I know. You'll probably have to adjust it a little more.
Almost had it perfect there. Just starting to get a little cocky there.
You were. It was like one turn, and you were like, I'm on it.
I'm on a strong arm this. Make it happen. No, this is a lot of fun. I was, I'm still quite nervous. But
Okay, so see if there's, okay. Now that that's
awesome.
off, just grab the washer and nut and spin it right back on, baby.
is that so we don't lose it, right?
That's exactly right.
Okay.
So that's done. Okay, whenever you can, don't use that. That's a stripper killer machine. So
Make it
I
very.
think it's probably, yep. Okay, I'm thinking the other way.
Hey,
There you go. There you go. Yay.
shove hands!
Shove hands!
Watch that frickin' ad.
Oh yeah, that'll probably be the next thing we'll pull off, baby, because that is a hand killer.
Yeah, well, yes it is.
So I'm going to assume, try this on that fan before we get to
right
here.
here.
Yes,
No, it has to be bigger.
has to be bigger. Okay, so we're gonna try 7/16.
Has to be bigger.
Half inch, really? Okay. Try that bad boy then.
Just right.
Okay, and here is that. It's already set to off.
Is it?
Yep.
Alright.
That's right. Break them all loose before you. That's a good call.
I'm doing it right.
You are doing it right.
Nice. Okay. I mean, I've watched you lots, but this is just something really new.
It is. And you're doing awesome. Do you want me to grab you the electric impact?
Oh, good God.
No? Okay.
No. It's my debut. I want lots of content.
Lots of content. There's the front end of her, guys. Yeah. That's
You
pretty
did
good.
an awesome job on that,
Yep. Yeah, we'll need a new grill and that kind of stuff eventually, but it looks better than what it was.
Yes, it does.
And you can see, everybody, like somebody did love this thing, because you can see that frame has been sandblasted and painted. So somebody loves it. And we are so thankful we got it.
Oh, yeah. I'm looking forward to taking a maiden voyage.
I
We'll bring
know.
you along with that one.
Yep.
What? Well, the rest of you are happy and you're just being.
It's the last one. I mean,
Always.
that's
There's
just the
always
way it
one.
is. So it's got to be one.
I'm sure Domino, if she wasn't preoccupied with her boat, would have had this on already.
Oh yeah, yeah. She's fairly close to duff material.
Yeah, she's working her way through, right?
Yeah. Not so good with hoods though. Let's be real.
No. Uh-oh.
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 Oh, careful now.
A little bit of a wobbly pop. The lack thereof. gotta steady myself out.
Yeah,